hair. I can't believe the weather looks like this. Every time I fucking plan something, it looks like shit. Light speed.